We're going on an adventure. I don't know where, but Colin's gonna take me. It's called Benan. It's only, how far is the walk? An hour and a half. For Colin, it'd be 30 minutes, but for me, maybe 5 hours. Right. See you guys soon! Oh, look at the fog on the water. Oh, wow! Beautiful.
Okay, closer.
So this is us ready for climbing up Benan.
How tall is the summit, Josie?
No clue, pal.
454 metres.
What?
454 metres.
454 meters, so ask me how tall it is. I'll give it a bash. Let's go, pal.
Right, we're ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. We are now at the
Halfway point.
halfway point. And I cannot wait to eat. We've got a very nice spot. So that would be our view. So today is the 21st of February, considering it's winter. It's actually warm for a Scottish weather. And look at that. Goodies.
A few moments later.
That's alright, sorry. What do you put in front?
Avocado, ham, fish oil. That's what.
Try not to climb on it.
So tip 101 from Colin is bring a carrier bag.
Come on, Josie. Too much pasta.
Gin and tonic. Please help me. Gin and tonic. It's like in a horror film. Yay! We made it.
No, not fun.
Sort of.
Bit too much pasta, so
I got stitch.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because Josie's always hungry,
Yes.
so we had sausage rolls before we left, and then we had what? Calamari, pasta, sandwiches,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna have cheese when we go back down.
Yes. And you know, it's hard work.
And we'll stop off at the fudge shop
Oh yes.
in Calendar.
Well, we've already got our food activities planned. So you do glow in the fog. Something new. Glow in the fog. Right.
It's a nice jacket you've got.
This is Colin's jacket. Sporting.
What are you doing?
I'm taking a video.
Full geography lesson, Josie.
A full geography lesson. Are you having a laugh, pal?
Right.
Hey, Chin Chin. Chin.
Gin gin.
So
this is the best way to celebrate when you get to the top of Benan, I think. Don't want tea, don't want coffee,
gin and tonic.
you want gin.
So
how many metres again is it?
400 something meters. Is that right?
454.
See, not bad at memorising things. If you guys want to visit Scotland, Benan, highly recommend it.
Yeah?
To
On a sunny day though, and then we'll do it in tons.
Tip 1 in climbing Munros or hills or Ben is comfy shoes. Always carry a spare socks and also loads of water.
That's 3 tips in one.
Water. Tip 1, bring loads of water.
Or 2,
Bring
wear comfy shoes. Hey, wait your turn.
I was about to say something.
Bring comfy shoes because 5 minutes into the walk I was wearing boots that were cutting into my ankles. So make sure you try out your boots before you come. Tip 2.
Tip number 3 is make sure you have loads of food. 3.
Tip number 4. Tip number 4. bring pink gin. Or any gin. Or beer.
Essentials. Or beer.
Or 5, go.
Tip 5.
How many tips are we doing?
I don't actually know.
Tip 240.
Make sure you wear something light but with layers as well. So if you're feeling hot, because with the Scottish weather you can never tell, like at the moment the wind's picking up. So if you're just not doing anything, you feel a wee bit chilly. So you need to bring either, like, I've got a scarf, I've got a hat, an extra jumper just in case, and also a rain jacket.
What tip's that for? 5?
Maybe 200.
5. I think it's 5. Go to the toilet before you come. Otherwise you'll get to the car park and then Josie will ask to go to the toilet. So you try and find somewhere. Right, there was a wee, what was the pub called?
Buyer Inn.
Buyer Inn. It's only like 5 minutes away from Ben Ann. Got a nice toilet. Tip 7, don't be hungover.
Don't be hungover.
Another Josieism.
We've got Catherine on the other side. Catherine. Can you pronounce it, pal?
We don't even know the name.
And I just started feeling, and that one is
About an hour 15 minutes.
An hour 15 minutes from Glasgow, which is not bad at all.
And there you go, typical Scottish weather. Someone's wearing a t-shirt.
It's definitely a tap-saff day. I would consider that.
In Glasgow, if it's over 10 degrees, it's called tap-tap.
I don't think it's over 10 degrees.
One eternity later.
Pal, are you ready?
Yes.
Are we gonna head down?
Yeah. So we need to walk down. What have you got in your bag?
I've got my hat. I got my scarf, got water, essentials basically.
Do you notice how it's just everything for Josie and Colin's carrying everything for both of us?
Yes, that's how it should be.
Typical Josie. So that's us just climbed Ben Ann. So that's about 5-10 minute drive from Callander. If you want to park, it's £1 for an hour. It'll take you longer than an hour to go up and back down. So £3 for parking all day. So you may as well just pay the £3.
Thank you, Colin.
But yeah, how would you say the climb was?
The climb was actually so easy compared to the other hills I have climbed before. It's definitely family friendly. You can take your pet.
Someone was even carrying a baby.
Yeah.
Take your baby.
And it's for all ages, I would say.
Yeah. Children. Yeah, it's an easy climb. So yeah, come and visit Ben Ann.
Ben Ann.
Ben Ann.
Cheerio. Bye.
A few inches later.
Colin, who are we?
Yeah.